PLAYBULB Garden, a color LED solar garden light. With PLAYBULB X Smart App Control, PLAYBULB Garden lets you add wonderful colors and special lighting effects to your garden. PLAYBULB Garden is purely driven by solar energy. It's green, just like your garden. PLAYBULB Garden is made water resistant. Unfavorable weather conditions are not a problem. PLAYBULB Garden is environmentally friendly. At day, it charges itself with sun energy and store power in the internal lithium-ion battery. The capacity of the built-in battery is 650 mAh. Once it is fully charged, it can operate up to 20 hours. PLAYBULB Garden is made to be smart. The built-in light sensor will automatically turn on PLAYBULB Garden when it gets dark, while turn off when it is bright enough. Download PLAYBULB X free app from Apple App Store or Google Play to bring your PLAYBULB Garden to another level of intelligence. PLAYBULB X lets you control your PLAYBULB Garden by Bluetooth. Adding colors to your garden takes just one finger tap. You can even group multiple PLAYBULB Garden and change their color as a whole. The latest version of PLAYBULB X provides 5 special light effects. To activate an evening lighting show at your garden is one finger tap away. With over-the-air update, once our app developers build more special effects, you'll be able to include them to your PLAYBULB Garden for free by OTAU firmware upgrade. PLAYBULB Garden is lightweight, and therefore it's portable. Imagine adding shining colors to your picnic, barbecue, or camping. And since it is solar-powered, you don't need to worry about the power supply. PLAYBULB X was designed to be one app, all control. Using the same app, you can control PLAYBULB Color, PLAYBULB Rainbow, PLAYBULB Candle, PLAYBULB Garden, and more to come. PLAYBULB Garden lets you add shining color and special lighting effects to your garden.